Tired of feeling like you're drowning in plastic, waste, and clutter? It might seem impossible to live sustainably in the middle of a concrete jungle, but you'd be surprised how simple shifts in your habits can turn your city life into an eco-friendly, mindful lifestyle. No matter how small your space, you can make a big impact. Here's how. Welcome to NIS JKT Discovery, the place where we talk about the past, present, and future of humanity. From ancient wisdom to future innovations, we explore how our choices shape the world we live in. Join us on this journey to build a better, smarter, and more sustainable future together. How to create a sustainable lifestyle in an urban environment. Why it matters. Urban areas generate over 70% of global carbon dioxide emissions and consume more than 2/3 of the world's energy. The average city dweller produces about 2 kilograms of waste per day, much of it avoidable plastic and food waste. Making simple, conscious changes in your daily habits can collectively reduce your carbon footprint, cut urban pollution, and save natural resources. Practical, evidence-based ways to live sustainably in a city. 1. Reduce single-use plastics. Fact: over 380 million tons of plastic are produced each year, with about 50% designed for single use. Actionable tips. Carry a reusable water bottle. It can save an average of 167 plastic bottles per person per year. Use a cloth bag or jute tote. Avoids over 700 plastic bags per person per year. Refuse plastic straws and cutlery when ordering food. Logic. Avoiding disposables reduces landfill waste and plastic pollution that often ends up in oceans via urban drainage systems. 2. Make your home energy and water efficient. Fact: residential buildings account for nearly 20% of total energy consumption in cities. Actionable tips. Replace incandescent bulbs with LEDs. They use up to 80% less energy and last 25 times longer. Use low-flow shower heads and dual-flush toilets. Can cut water use by 20,000 to 25,000 liters per household annually. Unplug appliances when not in use. Electronics on standby still consume 5 to 10% of household energy. Logic. Energy-efficient homes save money on utilities and reduce demand on power grids, cutting fossil fuel use. 3. Shift to a sustainable diet. Fact: food production accounts for 26% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Actionable tips. Eat more plant-based meals. Cutting meat and dairy reduces your diet's carbon footprint by up to 73%. Shop from local farmers markets or co-ops. Reduces transport emissions from imported goods. Buy products with minimal or no plastic packaging. Logic. A plant-forward, local, and low-waste diet lowers emissions, cuts food miles, and supports small urban economies. 4. Reduce, reuse, recycle smartly. Fact: only 9% of plastic ever produced has been recycled. The rest is incinerated, landfilled, or pollutes the environment. Actionable tips. Recycle correctly. Clean and sort materials as per city rules. Upcycle or repair clothes and gadgets. Extends product life and reduces demand for virgin materials. Donate usable items instead of discarding them. Logic. Extending the lifespan of products prevents unnecessary manufacturing emissions and waste. 5. Green your living space. Fact: indoor plants improve air quality by reducing carbon dioxide and harmful pollutants like benzene and formaldehyde. Actionable tips. Grow low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, and spider plants. Start a herb garden on your balcony or kitchen windowsill. Join a community garden, increases green cover and improves neighborhood air quality. Logic. Urban greenery cools heat islands, reduces air pollutants, and provides mental health benefits. 6. Choose low-impact transportation. Fact: cars produce 4.6 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year per vehicle. Actionable tips. Walk, bike, or use public transport whenever possible. Use carpool or ride-sharing apps to minimize individual trips. Advocate for better cycling lanes and public transport policies in your city. Logic. Reducing personal car use lowers traffic congestion, cuts air pollution, and improves urban quality of life. 7. Join local sustainability efforts. Fact: active community participation improves the success rate of urban environmental projects by 60 to 80%. Actionable tips. Join city cleanup drives, tree planting events, or zero-waste groups. Petition for city policies like plastic bag bans or public composting programs. Support eco-friendly businesses and urban farmers. Logic. Collective action amplifies environmental benefits and drives systemic change. Conclusion: living sustainably in a city doesn't mean everything has to be perfect. In fact, it's about making small, thoughtful choices every single day. When millions of people come together and take small, positive actions, the impact is powerful and visible. Let's work together to create a better tomorrow. A world where the air is clean, rivers run clear, cities are green, and every person does their part to care for the planet and society in their own way. Small, smart decisions made consistently can completely transform the bigger picture. Now is the time for us to step up and do something good for our cities, our country, and our planet. For a better today, a brighter tomorrow, and for the children who are searching for their future on this earth. Don't forget to check out more important videos in our playlist, The Future of Humanity and Our Planet. Share them with your friends and family, and let's begin making a difference for the generations to come, starting today. Thanks for watching. If you're passionate about understanding humanity's journey, where we came from and where we're headed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NIS JKT Discovery. Together, let's explore a smarter and sustainable tomorrow.